In the morning analysis, I asked you to remain short on gold with the stop loss at 1737, and you can expect 1724 as the first target, and then below that we can see further drop. See, it has achieved 1720 at the same time. Told you US 30 and US 100 both trading oversold, can try to bounce back, still trying to trade within range. Now what is going to happen with the US cash session? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and then at the last Dow Jones. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on to profits. Don't commit this mistake. Just like, share, subscribe and comment, and do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Let's start the day. Now this is the hourly charts for gold. You can clearly see that there is a resistance at 1732.33, and also this is the highs of this channel which it is trying to create. At the same time 1720 has provided it a very strong support. So in between these levels, between 1732 and 1720, do not take a position, but below 1720 you can definitely expect 1715 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD has just crossed over and it is trading bullish. It is just a second green candle. Let's see if it sustains this. RSI looking downwards here, indicating little bearishness on the hourly charts. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, see, it has given lower highs and it is trying to give you higher lows. Possibly it may try to come back till towards 1722-23 levels, which is a good support zone. It may come back till towards these and try to confine itself between 1730, or rather I will say 1732 and 1723 levels for now. It appears directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is bearish and trying to converge here. RSI was oversold, again coming out of this oversold zone, now again trying to trade or stay above these levels. Let's see if it does. On the 3-hour charts, you can find this is trying to create a channel of its own. Only long entry is if you see it trading above 1732, then you can expect 1737, which is a very strong support, and then 1740. If it breaks past 1740, as I shared earlier in the day today, we can see it flying high till towards 1745 and plus levels. On the downside, I think breaking below 1720, you can expect it to drop further till towards 1715 and below levels. Directional movement on the 3-hour charts is bearish. Stochastic was oversold, trying to come out of this oversold zone. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge a bit before it tries to decide a direction. RSI is now again out of the oversold zone. Likewise, if you see the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, look at the last 3 candles precisely aligned here. At the same time, the support zone at 1725. So from 1725 as the pivot, 1720 is seen, 1730, 32 levels can be seen. So this is the swing zone in which it is trying to trade, and below 1725 you can try to initiate a short entry, but better be cautious because it has got its support at 1720 and then 1718, 1715 zone. It may try to bounce back from these levels. At the same time, any long entry above 1732 is safe. So I think you can refrain rather from trading between 1720 and 1732 for now. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trying to come out of the oversold zone. MACD is divergent and bearish. And if you look at the RSI, this is also oversold, trying to come out of this zone. Possibility exists that it can reverse and trade above 1732. Beyond 1732, the next target is 1737 and then 1740 levels. If it trades above 1740, we can see a good rise for 1742's 45 zone. These are the strong resistance level. On the downside, 1725 for now is a good support. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, it has given you lower highs, it has seen the drop, and now the possibility for it to give you a similar size of candle exists, and hence 1715 levels can be achieved today. If it continues till 1715 and tries to come back again on the upside, possibly from tomorrow onwards again you can expect a drop. So yes, till the time it trades below 1737, 1740 zone, you can remain short on gold. Once again I am reiterating, and for now you can try to initiate a short entry below 1725, but remember 1722 is what you will get $3. 1720 in the next support, and below that you can expect 1718, 1715. These are the support zones. Because this is trying to consolidate and not give a stronger move, we can expect it to get resistance at these minor levels. So where if you take a short entry at 1725, you have to ensure that you have put a stop loss at cost. Even if it is a $1 or $2 movement, you have to put the stop loss at cost and preserve your capital first. 1722 first target, 1720, 1718 and 1715. It can drop till 1715 today itself. On the upside, you can go long above 1732. Beyond that, you can stay long for 1735, 1737 and then 1740 levels. 42 is the next support, 45 is the next resistance, and then beyond that it will fly high. Take your positions accordingly. Go long at 1732. You can take a short entry at 1737 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, if you also want to learn the art of trading profitably, taking right entries and the right exits, and the methodology and strategies on how to read the markets carefully and taking the correct entries, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, lifetime support. Definitely it will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Invest in your learning first, and then only you can do anything on your own, and the benefits you can reap for life. So reach out to me on my Telegram or email IDs. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can become a patron. There are a couple of tiered membership levels. One is the support level, where you can get just the support, the effort on YouTube which I am doing. You can support my effort and you can become a member. Else you can become a consulting partner member, where you can get the consulting from me. You can decide on the direction, you can discuss the future prospects, you can discuss your current positions, and also you can discuss the signals which I'll be providing there. The patron site and link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts on US 100. Now see, on the hourly charts on US 100, it is trying to give you bullish entries, and this is an expanding triangle on the hourly charts. One green candle, two retracement candle. And now if you see it trading above 12480, you can go long here. Above 12480, remember 12500, 520, these are the two levels. Then 12550, these three levels you should watch out for. The 12550, it is the gap filling exercise which it may continue, and beyond 12550 we can look forward to 12650 as the next targets. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is comfortable. MACD has crossed over, it is trading divergent and bullish here. RSI is now coming out of the oversold levels here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see it is trying to give you higher lows, lower highs. Any breakout beyond 12480 is good enough for it to sustain for 12500, 520, 550, and beyond 550 you can further stay long for 12600, 650 zone. Directional movement is bearish, willing to converge. Stochastic looking downwards again. The MACD is willing to converge again. See, as I shared in the morning today, that we may see a little consolidation to cool down the indicators, and that is what it is doing. RSI again oversold, trying to come out of it. Let's see if it does. On the 3-hour chart, similar is the formation, and if you find here higher lows, lower highs, let it break past 12480 on the upside, and on the downside it has to break past 12430 levels. If it trades below 12430, you can go short here again. 12400 is definitely a very strong support, and below 12400 we can see it crashing further till towards 12300 and 12200, the next support levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is looking upwards on the 3-hour charts. The MACD is also trying to converge here on the 3-hour charts. RSI is trading oversold. And if you look at the 4-hour charts here, on the 4-hour charts too, see it has seen the lows out there. It is trying to rise. Probably it may give you higher highs, and 12550 levels can be seen. You can stay long about 12480. Definitely we may see 12520, 12550 levels at least. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold, trying to come out of this. MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. RSI is oversold again. And on the daily charts, too, see it has seen a low 12400. The pivot is right now at around 12470 levels, and from there 70 points here, 70 points upwards, almost it will make to 12540, 12550 levels. It can achieve those levels before it looks forward to any further drop. The pivot is definitely at around 12470, 460 levels. Whichever direction it goes, in between 12550 and 12400, we have to be very, very cautious. Below 12400, see, on the 100 period moving average at 12,370, 350. These are going to be very important support. Below that we can see 12,300 and 12,200 levels. Directional movement extremely bearish. Stochastic is again looking downwards. We may see a green candle today. Probably it may try to pull it up again. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is trading flat. Considering this, you can go long at 12,480 levels. Expect it to rise for 12,520, 550. Only if it breaks past 12,550, you can expect there will be certain bullishness. Then 12,600, 650 levels can be seen. And ultimately, if it breaks past 12,800, you can consider that as reversal. On the downside, below 12,430, you can go short. 12,400 is the immediate support. Below 12,400, you can expect 12,370, 350 as the immediate support. And below that, you can see a stronger fall for 12,300 and 12,200 levels. In between 12,420 and 12,430 and 12,480, 50 points, you should not trade. Also remember, it is going to be a swing full day. We are going to see good swings. Always trail your stop loss. Always trade with the stop loss at cost. Hence, trade with caution, trade with a stop loss at cost, and trade safely. Trade accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Sorry, Dow Jones, and Dow Jones trading at 32,020 levels. And on the hourly charts, if you look at, this is also trying to consolidate as expected earlier in the day today. See, it is also creating higher base. Remember this fact, it is creating higher base here and almost close to 32,000. Now it is trying to create a base. At the same time, we have seen it expanding. We have seen higher lows. It is trying to give you expanding triangle. The highs of this at around 32,250, 300 levels. It can try to achieve those levels, fill the gap there, and possibly continue to trade. So yes, you can go long here at 32,050 now. Beyond 32,050, you can again expect 32,150 and 32,200, the next strongest resistance level. Directional movement bearish, stochastic near to bottom, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is trying to come out of the oversold zone. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see higher lows, lower highs. The candle is trying to consolidate a bit. Yes, if you see it trading beyond 32,050, go long again, and then you can expect it to achieve higher highs than 32,150, 32,250 levels can be seen. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic is again looking downwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. RSI is oversold. On the 3-hour charts, you can find, see, 2 retracement candles, 1 red candle, again a retracement candle. If it breaks past this zone, see this level here at 32,130 is going to be a good resistance, and then 32,150. So yes, you can go long at 32,050. Expect it to rise till towards 32,110, 150 levels. These are going to be good resistance. At the same time, you have to keep the stop loss at 31,950. Below 31,950, you can expect a good drop. Direction movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. RSI is oversold, and at the same time, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, remember, if you connect the dots here, lower lows. Lower lows means possibility exists that it can come back till towards 32,930, 920, 900 zone. Remember, I have shared in my weekly analysis also, and I am sharing it now also. 31,900 is a definitely very strong support out there, and if it breaks past 31,900, we can see a very strong fall. You have to watch out for this. Yes, you can take a short entry at 31,950 and then expect it to drop. Rather, you can take a short entry here at 32,000 itself. Below 32,000, you can expect 31,970, 950, and below that 31,900 levels. So go short at 32,000 itself. And remember, till 31,950 and 31,900, it can reverse any point of time. When I say reverse, it definitely it may reverse. So also look at this on the 4-hour charts. Higher highs, higher lows. So once you see it trading above 32,050, you can go long, and then 32,200, 250 levels can be seen. So at the same time, you can buy below 31,900. You can buy at 31,900, 950 zone and expect it to reverse from there. That is also very much possible. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic trying to come upwards. It is oversold. MACD willing to converge. RSI is oversold, trying to come out of it. Let's see if it does. On the daily charts, look at this on the daily charts. Lower lows, pivot here at 32,050, 070 zone, and higher highs. How high it can go? to 200. So in between 31,900 to 32,200, these 300 points you have to be very, very cautious. Either you can take a long entry at 31,900, possibly from there could be a bounce back. You have to trade with extra caution there. You have to see the reversal on the minor time frames, then take a long entry at 31,900 if possible. At the same time, the safe long entry it should be at 32,050, above which 32,100, 150, and then 32,200, 250 levels can be seen. And you have to trade with a stop loss in between these levels, that is 31,900 to 32,200, 250 zone. And on the downside, yes, you can take a short entry at 32,000 levels itself, but remember 31,970, 31,950, and 31,900, these are the three stronger resistance level. You can take your positions accordingly. It is oversold and it is bearish and it is divergent. Probably we may see a little green candle today for it to sustain the oversold levels, and then towards the end of the week it may drop again. Possibility exists. So take your positions accordingly. Go short below 32,000, go long above 32,050. Remember, till the time 31,900 is there, it can bounce back any point of time there. So you have to trade with a trailing stop loss, and in between 10-20 points itself you have to keep the stop loss at that cost, so that you should preserve your capital. Remember 31,970, 31,950 levels, very strong support. 31,900 the next strongest support. It can bounce back from these levels. Also on the same time you can close your short entries there and take a long entry at the same levels and expect it to bounce back. Once it trades above 32,050, it is going to fly high. Then you can expect 32,100, 150, 200, 250 levels, and beyond 32,250 you can expect 32,350 levels. Take your position accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do become a patron, do subscribe to my channel, do become a part of my mentorship batch. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.